Right into this world, all alone.
It's worrying I'm getting here. Have anything to do with that car that's been following us?
I'm glad you noticed that.
Block.
Just tell him. I know I repeat myself here, but come on.
I was with him in Chicago. It got violent. I tried to end it. He started stalking me.
Oh,
Jax,
and off he goes.
Don't. He's dangerous.
Go back inside, Tara. Lock the
Well,
door.
so is Jax, I think.
You harassing Tara. That ends here. And next time it won't be a piece of shit car I'm draining fluid from.
You threatening a federal agent?
I'm threatening you. Go away. It's my last warning.
The plot thickens.
Do me a favor. Push up on that thing, will you?
Really?
Really?
Happy Zach is all about that now.
Yeah, well, I want to see if she's all about him. And go with it hard.
Don't you have a more handsome, more attractive guy to go for her? But good to see that he doesn't trust her either.
Sex before a fight's like an old wives' thing.
Did you just insult my old lady again?
No,
Wait, why is she at work again? Jax dropped her off at home a couple minutes ago. It still has to be the same day, right? And they came from the hospital.
You doctors, both of you?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. Doberman, Pinscher, took a chunk.
Jesus
No, hang on,
Christ.
took a chunk out of my ass. Can we
Yeah, you need to go to the ER.
Distract him. I said distract him, not scar him for life.
Shit, I'm serious, man. I don't think it's infected.
Had he wanted to scar them for life, he would have pulled out his stick.
I was just checking in. You okay?
Yeah, I talked to Hale. He assured me Joshua was leaving. Thanks for handling that.
I don't think it is handled just yet. Something has to happen. Speak of the devil! Here he is, once again. For Christ's sake, dude, you can't win. Everyone's against you. Marking his territory? Jesus.
Hey, Freako. We ain't here to find
Dude.
you a date.
I know.
Cold pack? Nah, not my thing.
I'm telling you, this soothing coldness, this stillness, and it's really a beautiful thing.
Please, please.
Yes, exactly.
Lowell Harlan Sr.
Who's
Lowell's
that?
old man.
Who's Lowell again?
Cookie time. I made him, especially for you.
Nothing. Not a sweet butt.
Oh, yeah, you are.
No, I'm not. I came here for a kib. I'm not gonna be passed around anymore.
Jesus!
Maybe do your best Elvis impression?
Why was Lowell's dad buried with the enemy?
Casualty of war.
Maybe he was a traitor.
Mayans took him out.
Is that why he didn't want me in the morgue? Protect that secret.
I got no secrets from you.
Ah, I doubt that.
I can only imagine the poison Hale's gonna pour in Lowell's ear.
I'll handle Lowell.
Could you please show me Lowell? I still don't know who that is. Oh, is it the drug addict? Or former drug addict?
Is everything okay, man?
Oh, there it says Lowell.
He just split. Everyone told me that. You told me that.
I know.
Yeah, about that. That was a lie. Tsk.
Holy shit.
Ew.
He was in the same grave because he had the same killers. Use your head, Lowell. Sam Crow killed your father.
That is not true.
Yes, yes.
going on in here? Who the hell are you?
I'm glad he shows up once in a while. To be all surprised about what's going on.
This guy's dead.
At least.
Yeah. Cone's still in town.
I know. He's at Floyd's. I'm taking care of it.
Why did you tell him? Aw, dude. Oh shit, what?
He attacked me.
No one backs your version, Cone.
He put me through a goddamn window.
Witnesses say you did that yourself.
Don't think Jax is pressing charges.
Oh, shit. Great. Thank you.
I hope that the stock was a good rush, because it just killed your career.
Wait.
So now he has nothing to lose.
She came back here because she was afraid of me. I pointed her at Sam Crow. I can't fix that mistake, but you can. Both of you can. Please?
Please what? They don't need you to go after the gang. There's just no way this is the end of it. Mr. Agent Man doesn't strike me as a quitter. I mean, that's why he's a stalker. Stalkers by default don't quit. He'll be back. I wonder if he's crazy enough to kill the dude who's driving him.
It's like father, like son.
Looks like it's going that way.
Gotta remember what's important. Big picture.
I'll call the Vista, see if he checked in.
No one blames you if Lowell don't come home.
Maybe this time don't bury the corpse next to a street.
I can't deal with it anymore, Clay.
My point.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm my old man. Do it! Please. You help my little boy.
Did he do it? I guess not. Too much feelings for him? Because he pretty much raised him?
We're gonna take a dive, Kippy, for the club. Go get him. Sorta.
But do it convincingly, please. Oh, why is she here? Now he won't take the dive when he sees her.
Declined Bobby's request for some comfort.
Yeah, I did. I'm not about that anymore.
If I was to ask for some comfort, it'd be about that.
No. Sorry, but
Why did you
your old
hesitate?
lady would turn us both into chum.
That's a good point.
That wasn't really a no. That was pretty much a yes, but it's a bad idea.
Oh, shit. Shit.
What's he doing? Hell's he doing? What a key with this guy.
Why don't you just throw the towel?
Clay, I'm really sorry. You know, I just lost it. I didn't...
You owe the club 35K.
Right?
Hey. At least you got the girl, huh?
Come on, get out of here before I rape both of you.
He would do that. See, there he is. Knew it.
Good mechanic.
Bless you, Clay. Bless you.